What if I told you that everything you have been told about success, dreams, and the law of attraction might be one of the biggest secrets of the world does not want you know? Hello and welcome. Today we are uncovering the truth about something that millions of people swear by, the law of attraction. Is it a magical shortcut to success, or is it just another myth people sell or profit? Stay with me, because by the end of this video you will see it in a completely new light. The law of attraction claims that whatever you focus your thoughts on, you will attract into your life. Think rich and you become rich. Think healthy and you become healthy. It suggests that your thoughts are powerful enough to change your reality. But is this actually how life works? So where did this idea come from? It did not start online. It goes back hundreds of years, influenced by ancient philosophies like Buddhism, which taught that the mind shapes our reality. Over time, writers and speakers expanded on the concept, and eventually it became known as the law of attraction. The myth vs the reality. However, just believing something does not make it true. Many people treat the law of attraction like a magic spell, imagining success without action and then wondering why nothing changes. The truth is, putting your focus on something does not automatically make it happen. There are stories of people who trusted it blindly, believing they could heal serious illness just by thinking positive, only to face tragic outcomes. This shows that thoughts alone is not enough to change life's biggest challenges. Here's where the real power lies. So what does work? Scientists have found that your brain does not always between real practice and vivid visualization. When you picture yourself succeeding again and again, your neural pathways strengthen as if you actually did it. This is a real psychological effect. But here's the key. This is not magic, it's neuroscience. Thinking about success can prepare your brain to take action that leads to success, but those thoughts must be paired with consistent effort. Then how to use this correctly? So how should you really use the law of attraction? Step 1. It's possible, but realistically possible. Don't set your mind on something impossible. Aim for goals you can work towards. Step 2. Feed your brain with positive information. Read, watch, and think about things that motivate you and refine your goals. Step 3. Take action. Thinking alone is not enough. You must back up those thoughts with real steps towards your goal. If you combine these three, belief, focus, and action, you unlock real momentum in your life. So, is the law of attraction a secret power of a scam? The answer is that your mind is powerful, but only when paired with real effort. It's not magic, it's psychology, motivation, and action working together. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss